My journey with CTS Tech began by one of the person whom I knew very well invited me to CTS Tech just to meet. So I just came down one day. I was sitting at the reception, and that time one of the founders, Bimal Naik, he was moving out and he saw me, and he said, "Okay, what are you here for?" He thought I am there for interview. So he said, "Should I connect or should I set it up with someone?" Then I said, no, I'm invited by this person. Mandar Samant was the person. Then he took me along with him, and then we had a chat. Then I had a meeting with Rizwan. Jagdish was traveling. So I met Rizwan, and then I was invited again to meet Jagdish next day. And I had a candid discussion with Jagdish on that. I candidly asked him, right, Jagdish, I'm taking risk from joining such a big organization to the CTS Tech. I don't know how CTS Tech will grow. He said, Nilesh, yes, it is a risk, but high risk, high return. Think of that way. You will be becoming a part of a growing organization. You will grow with the organization. As the organization grows, you are also going to grow. Yes, I committed to this risk, and now at the outset of last 11 years, I think it really paid off because I literally have grown along with this organization. In my journey, I had got a lot of opportunities to play different roles. I embraced all of them, and probably that's one of the reasons of my growth in this organization. 5 years back, or 6 years back rather, I had a health situation wherein CTS Tech as a family supported me quite a lot. I was almost kind of facing a health challenge where I was unable to work for almost couple of months, where CTS Tech really stood behind me. So I am really thankful to CTS Tech as a family for that. To recall another funny incident, I remember we were celebrating 5 years of CTS Tech. As a part of that celebration, we were requested to dance, perform, and that was something new for us. It was really fun, wherein, believe me, Jagdish, Rizwan and Bimal, they also danced. When I was asked to lead the CSR initiative at CTS Tech, I got an opportunity to work with NGOs wherein we are meaningfully contributing to the betterment of education as well as to the health of the society. So I think that end of the day, that also gives me a great pleasure, and I'm able to contribute to the society through CTS Tech CSR.